What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna be replacing some spark plugs because I've been having some misfires in 2 cylinders, and yeah, I'm gonna replace this one and this one, and the engine should be running good. Alright, suckers out. Alright. Size, boom, one hand. You gotta twist the bolt sometimes like a nipple. Okay, I'm recording right now. you heard? Yeah, yeah, twist the bolts off sometimes like you're playing with a nipple. Alright, so I also see what happened when I cleaned up. Well, no more misfires for this car. The engine turns out to be okay. It still has a lot of clicking. I think it's either the timing belt tensioner or freaking valve lash or something. Well, I only have one axle on the passenger side. I need the driver's side axle. So that'll be on the next video. Like, comment, subscribe.